Hey everybody, welcome back to the next episode of the Project Euler archive series. Today the problem is sum square difference, and it looks like a pretty easy problem, so this should be a quick video. The sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers is 385. The square of the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 3025. And then the difference between the sum of the squares and the square of the sum is this. So find the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 100 natural numbers and the square of the sum. Okay, so the way I'm going to solve this problem is just by doing it, just by looping through all the numbers from 1 to 100 and actually calculating this number. No special tricks or anything. So for the loop will be for I in range 1 to 101 to include 100. And then we'll need two variables, one for the sum of the squares, one for the square of the sum. I'll just say sum square and square sum. Okay, so they're both set to 0 to begin with. And then for the sum of the squares, we need to add I squared, right? Add the, you can't see what I'm pointing at, add whatever number we're at squared to this variable to keep track of it all. So sum square plus equals I squared. And then for the square sum, we'll just add I and then square it after the loop is over. So square sum just plus equals I for now, but then once the loop is done, square sum times equals square sum. Just square it, okay. And then we just need to print out the difference. So the difference between the sum of the squares, sum square minus square sum. So I think that should work. Okay, it's a negative number, but that doesn't matter because it doesn't matter what order you put it in, it'll be the same absolute value of that number, be it negative or positive. So I'm sure they're looking for the positive answer. So let's see. All right, number 6 is correct. That was a very easy one. I'll see you in problem number 7.